Nokia G42, the 5G beast is nearly landing. Nokia unveiled the G42 series. Nokia G42, the 5G beast is nearly landing. G42 series, which will soon hit the local and global markets. The G42 series is touted to be a game changer in the 5G market. It promises lightning-fast speeds with low latency, enabling users to stream, download, and upload with ease. It also has a long-lasting battery life and a sleek design, making it an attractive choice for tech-savvy users. According to reports, Nokia's G42 will be a budget handset with an advanced set of features that is expected to be one of the best on the market. To target those customers who are looking for a mobile phone that is durable and affordable at the same time. As we move forward, let's take a closer look at everything that the G42 has to offer. First of all, it should be noted that there is a big 6.56-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display on this handset that will deliver a jaw-dropping resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The powerful Qualcomm SM4350AC Snapdragon 480 plus 5G, 8nm chipset, along with an octa-core CPU, will run this G42 smoothly without any lags. The camera quality will also be very impressive because this new Nokia G42 will land with a camera setup of 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP sensors. On the front, it will have a single 8MP camera to capture stunning quality. As a result of the G42's enormous 5000 mAh battery, you will be able to take it with you for the entire day. With the support of fast charging of 20W, it is able to charge itself in a couple of minutes. The newly introduced G42 by Nokia might be a tough challenger for Samsung and other brands in the upcoming few months. Display. Technology. IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors, multi-touch. Size. 6.56 inches. Resolution. 720 by 1600 pixels, 267 ppi. Extra features. 560 nits.